The last time I did an unboxing, it was for the Surface Studio 1, and well, I struggled a little bit. So let's see how well I do today with the Surface Studio 2. Oh, it's a heavy beast, as expected. So I've got the latest version here. It's top of the range again. It's the 2 terabyte SSD model. So the old Surface Studio had a hybrid physical hard drive, spinning hard drive, and an SSD, which probably wasn't the best. Still a nice unit, but probably not the best technology of their time. And it's also got the latest GeForce NVIDIA graphics card. It's a GTX 1070 with 8 gig of RAM for itself, and the device has got 32 gigabytes of RAM. That's all of the numbers, the important specs. Let's go and open it up. Let's have a look here. In fact, I don't think I'll use the knife on that. I'll just use these little pull tabs. We've taken it out of the big box already because that was the thing that kind of stumped me last time. We'll see how we go. All right. This is it. Whew. It's a big box, but it's a big device too. Let's have a look here. Oh, yep. Look at that, springs out just nicely. Lots of plastic covering it up and protecting it, which is nice. I wonder what's in the box here. I'll get the unit out. Get rid of that packaging. Oh, lift it out. Okay. A bit more packaging. There we go. Put it face to face with the old Surface Studio. So we've got keyboard box here and mouse. Oh, and pen as well. That's really cool. So interestingly, the old one came with the earlier version of the Surface Pen, but now we've got the latest Surface Pen in here. They added pen tilt support fairly late on the Surface Studio 1. I think it only came in 2018, about mid-2018. So we've got our keyboard and mouse there. And pen. What else have we got? Probably a bit of warranty information. Yep, some stuff that I'm never going to read. What's this one? Ooh. Look at that, it's a little booklet. Kind of interesting. I think I might actually read that. It's kind of glossy. All right, what else? There's another bit of paperwork down here, or something. What's in this box? What's in the wedge? Oh, that's the power cord. Okay. Got my Aussie power cord there. All right, excellent. Well, that's pretty much what's in the box by the looks of it. Quite a big box for, certainly filled with a lot of foam. I'm going to put that back together so that we can sell it when the Surface Studio 3 comes along and put it back in the box. Let's have a look at this. So one of the things that was great about the Surface Studio was that beautiful hinge design that they came up with here. And that's of course the same. I mean, the unit really looks exactly the same as the old one. If I have a look at the ports on the back, oh, there's a USB-C port on there. So that's a new thing. So instead of a display port on the back here, let's turn that around. There's a USB-C, as well as the 4 USB ports, the network port, and the SD card slot, and then the headphone jack. So fairly simple in terms of ports. Again, power button on the volume controls on the right-hand side here, just like the old model. Looks very, very similar. I think it seems to be almost identical in terms of chassis design. Cool. So we'll go ahead and get this all hooked up and have a bit of a play with it, see what it's like. So there you go. We've got the Surface Studio 2 out of the box, keyboard and mouse there. It's all ready to go. Well, it's almost ready to go. We're just waiting for Windows to do its updates and bits and pieces. But once that's up and running, we'll have a bit of a play with it. We'll do some testing to compare how it was with the Surface Studio 1 and see if the performance is a lot better. I expect it to be a lot better on the Surface Studio 2. So we'll see how that goes, and hopefully we'll bring you some more videos on the Surface Studio 2.